back to road trip in American Samoa. The road is very clear, almost clear. But in the Philippines, it's more clearer. There's no motors like a bee in the road. But over here, few vehicles, and you can see on the side, it's like a Boracay mountain. Smooth. Very smooth. Goodness, it's nice to be back. I love the Paradise Island. It's like I'm in heaven. It's so good. It's so good. So the difference is really very different. The Philippines traffic. Over here, no traffic. God is so good. God is so good. God is so good. He's so good, so good. Everybody say God is so good. God is so good. God is so good. He's so good.
Okay lang.
Ano pag uwi yan?